For busy transport managers, you're responsible for multiple vehicles and drivers in different locations, and you need the systems to enable you to make daily operational decisions quickly, remotely, and accurately. With Motia Telematics, we provide everything in one place. Tracking, telematics, cameras, fuel analysis, tachograph compliance, all via one integrated platform. No matter what kind of asset you're tracking, you can do so all in one place via one map. Everything we do at Motia is to try and make everything more efficient for our end customer. On the left-hand side, you'll see our vehicle list. This displays key information about the vehicle, the location, the speed of travel, and provides a number of shortcuts to make your life simpler and easier. For example, if I click on Journey Report here, this will take you through to today's journeys by ignition on and ignition off. If I click into one of those journeys now, it'll show you the breadcrumb in terms of the direction of travel. What separates Motia from our competition is twofold. The accuracy of our tracking, which is updating every 30-degree turn, 500 metres travelled and 60 seconds. As you can see set out here, the blue line is the direction of travel, the white dots are those updates, and on the left hand side you can see commentary for each update. If I move you to plot view, this shows you a turn-by-turn view of the direction of travel. What separates Motia is the ability to integrate your tracking and your cameras together. So for example, if I click on here, this incident, which is a harsh corner, you can go straight into the playback and instantly play that back, view the footage, and examine whether anything needs to be done on the back of that information. Each time we provide commentary on the left-hand side, we put a timestamp on as well, so you know exactly where your vehicle has been, turn by turn, every step of the way. In addition to tracking, we also make it easy to understand exactly where your drivers are up to from a fleet compliance perspective. So to click on a vehicle here, you can see the live driver's hours remaining, depending on which tachograph analysis provider you use. Our mapping is through Google Maps, and within Google Maps we've added two additional features. First of all is the traffic layer, which allows you to see the traffic flow of each road. So you can see from there, green means go, amber means slowing down, red means stopped. Really important from a routing perspective. We've also added business layer as well, which adds any business that's registered with Google, helpful for routing and to understand exactly where your vehicles are in relation to your end customer. On the left hand side, going back to the shortcuts, you'll also see live video stream. This means that if the ignition is on of your vehicle, you can view the live stream, dial straight into the cameras as exampled here. Our point of interest feature allows you to highlight activity at set locations. You may know this as geofencing from your current provider. I'm just going to quickly show you how to set this up. You can either set it up on a set circle around the map, set the radius for whatever distance you want. There you go, set out, and then you can just put test in there and save that as a POI. Alternatively, you could set what's called a polygon POI, which is a shape. I'll just show you how to do that now. And that's more specific for specific yard addresses where access is not a set circle. You want to have a specific area of travel. Now, once you've set these up, you can do a number of different benefits. You can use what's called our time on site report, which will show you if you've added on the point of interest when your vehicle entered the point of interest. So say, for example, if you had specific customers who wanted to know exactly when your vehicle had turned up for the job, you could use point of interest and that will give you the proof. Secondly, what you can do is you can set up specific alerts. So I'll just show you an example of that now. Here's the different alerts that we offer. And if I go into point of interest alert, you can set the point of interest on here. And then what you can do is you can set whether you want the alert to be set when the vehicle enters that location or when the vehicle exits that location. So that is really good from two aspects. First of all, increasing the safety of your fleet, ensuring that you can show if a vehicle has exited that location out of hours, as an example. And secondly, to prove what time you arrived on site, you could set up a customer's email address as an example, and they would be emailed once you'd hit a certain radius. That's really beneficial for example, warehouse attendants who are trying to prepare the load to know exactly when the vehicle's going to arrive. It's really crucial and it's really helpful to our customers. From Motia's perspective, Everything we do is around partnership. We don't believe this is just technology. We believe this is a partnership. We like to learn about our customers, understand your intricate needs, and build solutions together.